Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with LiveAnabolic.com. I'm super excited to share this new series that we just launched, Ripped in 6, all right? So basically 6-minute workouts you can do at home to get ripped in only 6 minutes. All you need is a set of dumbbells, all right? So I'm gonna be doing a chest workout, bicep workout, shoulder workout, back workout, abs, obliques, even a full body workout that you can do at home, all in 6 minutes. So definitely make sure you check all these videos out. Okay, so before you get started, I'm gonna show you how to set up your 6-minute Ripped in 6 workout, all right? Basically what you're gonna do, I'm giving you 4 different exercises, all gonna be done in a giant set. What we're doing is 37 seconds of each exercise, so you are gonna wanna get a Tabata app on your phone, okay? That's the simplest way to do it. You're gonna actually do 2 rounds. So what we're doing, 37 seconds, no rest in between the next exercise, no rest between the 3rd or the 4th. Immediately after you've done your 4th exercise, you're gonna go straight back to the first one and do it again for round 2, all right? And that's gonna take you roughly 5 minutes. What you're gonna do with that last minute is a finisher, all right? I'm gonna include a finisher at the end of every one of these group sets, and it's an all-out finisher. Go as hard as you can, fast as you can. Just make sure you're utilizing strict form so you don't injure yourself. But that being said, let's get started. All right, man, now that you know how to set this up, we're gonna get started with your shoulder workout. So we're gonna start with dumbbell side lateral raises. Go ahead and get your Tabata app ready, and let's get busy.
Exercise.
And this is basically gonna be a tri-set of lateral raises. We're doing side laterals, immediately to a bent lateral raise, and then a front raise. So your shoulders definitely will be on fire, which is the goal, feeling full of blood and lactic acid.
Exercise.
Lateral raises, go ahead and relax your grip and drive the elbows up to your sides. All rear delt, and try to take that trap out as much as possible. When you sit up, make sure you're hinging at the hips, all right? You don't want to be feeling this in your lower back. Just drive your glutes back at the start.
Exercise.
All right, straight into your front raise. One thing you can do, all right? On the front raise, keep your palms facing each other. That's gonna help with a little external rotation of your shoulders, alleviate some of the stress. What you can do when this gets hard is alternate, all right? If you need a little breather or a little break, one side at a time. If you're good though, knock it out together. Depending on your fitness and conditioning level, because again, we're all starting at a different place. From here,
Exercise.
dumbbell overhead press. All right, I like more of a neutral grip. Same thing here. If you're struggling, do one side at a time. Whatever you need to do to get through these, all right? All right, round 2, straight back, side laterals. Same thing, you have to go one side at a time to get them done, all right? Just do it. That's the goal, is finishing, completing. Still pushing and challenging yourself though. Out to the walls, not up. Dumbbells should be going out, out.
Exercise.
All right, rear. already burning. Let them rest if you need to. Oh.
Exercise.
All right. Alternating, because I'm already dead. Almost done, guys. Come on. You got it. Push it. Another overhead press after this, and then our finisher. All right. And the finisher will be killer, because it's another press. Some blood back. It is a piston press. Just like the piston in an engine, how it drives up. Same thing. But immediately after these, it's gonna be tough. All right. Take the lighter weight. Doesn't take a whole lot of weight to do these. And you're just instantly, one, driving. Woo! That's only 15 seconds. All right, come on. A minute, as many as you can. Core tight. You don't want to injure your lower back doing these. Almost. 15 more seconds. All right, come on. Woo! All right, here we go. And that's all I got. All right, guys. Great job. Hopefully you got through it okay. If not, it's all right. Just use that as motivation for the next time you do this. But man, other than that, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.